Well, some of the research that we kind of did looked at the 17th century period, and we looked at a number of narratives and written reports that talked about how Māori were seen in those particular stages. And one of the earlier reports was a narrative written by Augustus Earle in the 17th century. So as a white settler, he wrote about his residency here in Aoteaora, New Zealand. In particular, he wrote about Māori families and about the roles he saw of Māori men. He was quite in awe about the relationship that men and women had, that they were seen as companions and equal. He talked about the role that Māori men played, that they played a major role in the nursing of children. So they would be commonly seen carrying the children around, changing them, bathing them, and getting on with business. But at the same time, he said, but in warfare, you know, don't mess with the Māori, you know. But really it tells us that there was quite a contradiction between those roles that we saw in early settlement to the roles that we soon came into later on in life, that was the role of woman for the nursing. Actually, traditional roles told us that men played equal roles in the nurturing and the upbringing of our children.